Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel. This is another episode of I Bought It So You Don't Have To. So today we are diving into two Ipsy mystery bags in this video. I have with me the Spring Soiree mystery bag, and then I also have the Pastel Dreams mystery bag. Both of these bags were just delivered, and I'll be honest with you guys, I just filmed some content and I was done for the day. I was like, I'm ready to eat dinner. And then I just got my delivery and I'm like, I kind of want to know what's in those. So I just sat down so that way I can show you guys what's inside of these bags all over again. So if my energy's a little bit low, it's because I've already filmed some content today, but I just couldn't wait and I wanted to see what was in these. So we're going to go ahead and get started and check these bags out today. So let's go ahead and start with the Spring Soiree bag. It sounds so fancy, you guys. So this is what it looks like here. It is a larger styled bag because there are full-size products inside of this. It is supposed to feature 5 full-sized items. I did pull it up on the Ipsy website and it says that it has $151 worth of products inside of it. Now I spent $32 on the bag, but then there's also a $2 handling fee on there. So you're up to $34, plus there's sales tax on there as well. So anymore, these bags are starting to cost as much as the entire BoxyCharm does. I feel like the print is definitely spring. I'm definitely getting those vibes. It's not the cutest bag that I have ever seen, but I do think this pop of pink in here is really nice. So it does give me kind of like watermelon vibes. So I think there's cuter, but I don't hate this either. Do you know what I mean? Like it's right in the middle for me. So first item in my bag is from Mitchell & Peach. This is their Body Souffle Cream. So it appears to be full size at 100 ml. It says it's a light and easily absorbed moisturizer. This has shea butter, vitamin E, and honey inside of this cream. Now, I'm not familiar with this brand, but I don't see anywhere on here that they are cruelty-free. There's nothing that says vegan. However, I will say on the ingredient list, it's all good ingredients that they have in here. There's vanilla extract, there's vitamin E, there's lavender, cocoa butter, coconut oil is in here, there's honey, there's glycerin, almond oil, obviously water, of course. So overall, I mean, the ingredient list looks pretty good on this product. So it does look like it's going to be a hydrating cream. Next up, I have from Wander Beauty. This is the Wondrous Glow Illuminator. So I think this is like a highlighter palette, but is there more than one in here, like for shades, or is it all one color? That is the question. Oh, I think it's gonna be one. Let's see here. So this is what it looks like. It looks more like a compact. And then yes, the shade is called After Hours. I hope it's not that color. Let's see here. Oh no, it's not. This is beautiful. Oh, I love that. So definitely champagne color. This is really pretty. I love how it catches the light there. All right, I like this highlighter a lot. Now, I don't think I've had this one. If I have, I don't remember it. But this is a baked highlighter, so it's very lightweight and it's a very soft powder formula. So it goes down. I'll do a quick swatch and show you guys. It's just so smooth. And you can see that beautiful shift. But what's nice about these is they're very blendable. So they work with everyone's skin tone and they just blend in beautifully. I like this one a lot. This one I approve of. Next up in the bag, we have Give Them Lala Beauty. Now this is the full-size eyeliner and it is just in the shade black. This eyeliner I have used in the past. I love the mascara from this brand. I will tell you guys, absolutely love it. But this mascara feathers for me. So every time that I put it on, I will draw the line and it will bleed a little bit and do like the little feathering. So I don't love this product. And maybe it's just the way I use my liners. I don't know. But I was not a huge lover of this, but the mascara is great. So this one, I like that it's full size. I will say this brand is not super expensive though either. So it's not my favorite product to have. Okay, moving on. We have a product from Kaa Life. Kaa? It's a niacinamide booster and it has hyaluronic acid and aloe vera inside of this. I don't know this brand. This is intense hydration and it will reduce the signs of aging. And it says that it's gonna fix dry, irritated skin. Do I know this brand? It's not ringing a bell. This is a glass bottle. It seems nice. I mean, it seems expensive, to be honest with you guys. So if you know anything about this product, comment down below. It is not ringing a bell at all, but I like the look of it. It looks expensive. Intense hydration, reduce signs of aging. It's also blemish control. You can use it on the face and neck. Okay. I mean, it seems okay. I don't mind it. Last item inside of this bag is also from Give Them Lala. This is the brow gel. What? This is it? Sorry. This is a full-size product by technicality, but it is a clear brow gel to shape and mold your eyebrows. That's kind of annoying that you're getting 2 items from the same brand, but also this is, you know what I mean? It's not that great. Now, what I'm a little concerned about is it says right on here, not for resale. What is unusual about that is usually you'll see that when something is a sample size and then it will say not for resale on it. But I don't know if this is sample size or not. I'm assuming it's full size since it's in the box, but it says it's only 5.8 mil. Maybe this isn't. Okay, now I have to do some investigating. So after I finish this video, I'll have to look into that. But that is everything inside of my spring soiree bag. You know, for $36, I don't know if this is that great, you guys. Like, I'm looking at this one going, I love the highlighter. I think that's great. I don't mind this serum, but I don't know if this is worth $36, you guys. So that is everything in that bag. If you're interested in it, I will have a link posted down below, but I am not in love with this one. I don't think this is that great of a bag. So let's see if we can turn it around with this bag. This is the Pastel Dreams Bag. It retailed for $16 on it, and you were supposed to have 5 sample-sized items inside. Now, like I said, you will spend an additional $2 in handling for this if you buy them separately. I bought these 2 together in the same order, so I only had to pay the $2 handling fee once. But just keep that in mind that that is there if you only have one on your order. So this is what the bag looks like. Again, it's cute. I don't love it and I don't hate it, but I do love the insides. Like the pop of color inside of these bags, that is where it's at. Like it's so cute. And it gives me kind of this reverse watermelon vibe. So I do like the shape of them too. I mean, honestly, that's pretty cute. Now that I'm looking at it, it's like, yeah, that's cute. So first item is from Rodial, which great brand, Vitamin C Brightening Cleanser. It will brighten and renew your skin. Now I've used this product in the past, really great brand. I do think the cleanser works very well at removing makeup, getting any dirt out of my pores. But the nice thing about it is it will brighten at the same time because of that vitamin C being inside of it. So I like this product, that's good. Next item is from Lauren's. This is a vanilla almond body lotion. I think I had this. I remember this because it smells amazing. It definitely smells like almond. So if you guys like almond extract, I mean, you can open that and smell it. This is exactly what it smells like. And it was a really good body lotion. I use this because it smelled so good. So this one says it will give you nourishing ingredients. It's an almond body lotion that's enriched with coconut oil, shea butters, and vitamin E. It's a lightweight texture that will not be oily or greasy. Yeah, I remember using this product and I just loved the way my skin smelled. I put it on after the shower and it was so good. So I'm actually excited to get this again. I also have an item from Kapari in here. This is their Sunshield Soft Glow Daily Face SPF 30. But does that say 5 mil? Yeah, it does. So this is small. This sunscreen has vitamin E in it, and it is going to give you a satin finish. It's a sheer sunscreen, so it's very lightweight, but it's still SPF 30. You can put this on before makeup, and because of how sheer it is, you can then layer your makeup over top, and it's not going to feel like you've got like an oily mess underneath, which sometimes happens with sunscreens. So I love the brand. I like the idea of this, but it's 5 mil. It's just not a lot of sunscreen to do a whole lot with. You get like one shot at using this product. I just wish there was like a standard for the sample sizes that like we need to be at a certain level. I feel like anything that's at 5 mil is just so small. It's hard to really know if you like the product or not when you don't have much product to work with. So I just wish that they would do better with that. So the next item that I have is from Aveda. Okay, now this is annoying. This is their thickening conditioner. Now, I've talked about this to you guys before, but I go to an Aveda salon to do my hair. And actually, I was just there yesterday. And they give these out for free in there. Now, I don't know if that's just my salon, but they literally have a basket that is right by the checkout. And you can grab any of them that you want to try it out. And then they have the full-size bottles that you can buy when you're there. So when I see these samples, it annoys me because I can get them for free from my salon. Now, it's a great brand. I definitely think their products work, and they're all plant-based, which is really great because they don't put all these synthetic chemicals or harsh dyes or anything like that in their products. So I love the product, but I'm more just disappointed that I just bought this in an Ipsy bag. Last item in this bag today is the Sweet Street product. This is a liquid lipstick, and I think the shade is 1993. Who in the world is Sweet Street? I don't know this brand. Now, I'm looking at this lipstick, and I'm definitely seeing some cracking in there. Now, this could be from a couple of things. It could be that it's just sat on one side for too long, or it could be that the product is old. So I'm going to look at it to find out. But I'm not seeing like an expiration anywhere on here. It does say it's vegan. It's also cruelty-free. The only thing I don't like is dimethicone is the second highest ingredient on this list, which dimethicone is just silicone. So to me, you're getting a lot of silicone in this, and I don't love that personally. But we're going to do a swatch here. I want to check out this formula and see what it looks like for sure. I'm not seeing an expiration date anywhere to say that it's bad, so it's probably just sat for too long. But this is the brand name again, which also it's a brand name that I've never heard of before. So this is our, oh, it's a little chunky. Man, it's deep. So it's not bad. There's a little chunk right at the beginning there, but then it smooths out. But man, is that a dark color. Like, that is so bold. It looks like melted chocolate. Like, seriously, it looks like a Hershey's Kiss just melted on my hand. So honestly, I think this is decent. It's just a really dark shade for me to be able to use. So that is everything inside of the Pastel Dreams, I think it was Pastel Dreams, right? Pastel Dreams Ipsy bag. Again, if you guys are interested in this, I will post a link down below and then you can go get your own. I don't think this mystery bag is terrible. I do like a couple of these products a lot. The body lotion I love. I will use the Aveda conditioner. I will also use the vitamin C cleanser. Love those. I do like the Kapari Sunshield as well, so I will use it. I just wish they were bigger sizes. The only item that I probably won't use is this really dark lip, just because it's too dark for me. But I don't think it's that bad in terms of the products. Now, having said that, again, if somebody were to show me all of these sizes and say, hey, would you spend $14 on this? That might be a bit much for me. I mean, in all honesty, for the sizes I'm seeing, I do like the brands with the Kapari in there and Rhode Isle, but it does seem a bit overpriced for it. So I don't think this is terrible because I will use most of it. So that at least is worth it to me. But I do think it's close. Do you know what I mean? Like, I would probably go, sure, I'll spend $10 on this, but maybe not $14. So it's definitely close in value in my opinion. So if you love the bag itself and you'll get use out of the products, then I definitely think it will be worth it. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!